Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. My name is Lenice. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy birthday cake cookies. First you will need salt and vanilla extract. Now you will put them in a small plate. Put some water on a small plate. Next, put your cookies on a baking sheet. After, put a little salt with your fingers on the cookies. Then, dip your baking brush into the water and the vanilla extract. Add it to your cookies. Now you're ready for baking. Ask an adult to put the oven to 350. Put your cookies into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Now let your cookies cool off for 5 minutes. Transfer your cookies to another plate. And that's how you make easy birthday cake cookies. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!